Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add picture in PowerPoint presentation, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add picture in PowerPoint presentation. When you are in your PowerPoint, just click Insert. After that, click on Pictures and then insert picture from, then just select where is the picture. I have the picture in this device and then select the file where is the picture. I have here on downloads. Okay, I can use this one for example, and here you can decrease the size, and here you can move the picture where you want to place it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add picture in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.